Hi, I am S. Rajesh Kumar, and before I start, if this is your first time watching something from my channel, make sure to like the video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. So let's start the topic simile and metaphor. Figures of speech. So in rhetoric, figures of speech are used to make a verse or sentence impressive. So in this video lesson, we learn a simile and metaphor. So let's see a simile first. So it's a simile is a literary device. It used to compare two different things, two different things, and to make a description more interesting or vivid. So the comparison is made through the use of words like or as. So here we use like or as to compare two different things. So two different things which have at least one point in common. So one point in common. In this sentence, blackness. In this sentence, bravery. In this sentence, sparkle. So when we compare two different things which have at least one point in common, it's a simile. Okay. So we use like or as for comparisons. Okay, let's see some examples. His hair is as black as coal. So see green colored words hair, coal. So hair is compared to coal with word as. So here what is common? Blackness. Okay. Then these two are different things. Hair, coal. Let's see some one more example. She is as brave as a lion. So here a person is compared to a lion. So these two are two different things. But one point is common, that is bravery. That is bravery. So here we use as. So that's why it is a simile. Let's see one more example. Her eyes sparkle like diamonds. See, here eyes are compared to diamonds. With we use like. We compared these two different things. The comparison is made through the use of a word like. So it is simile. So what is common thing here? It is sparkle. So eyes or her eyes are compared to diamonds, and we use a like, and the common thing is sparkle. So it is a simile. So the things being compared are here dissimilar. Hair, coal, dissimilar things, two different things. Okay, eyes, diamond. So here the common thing is blackness, bravery, and sparkle. So the basic formula of a simile is x is like y. Okay, so x is as z as y. So this is a formula to identify simile, like and as or as. So and here uh, the points of comparison are made using like or as. So in this sentence, the bell at his new home sounds very much like the song of birds. So here comparison is made using like. So comparison between bell and song of birds. So the sound made by unfamiliar bell is compared to a song of birds using the word like. So let's see some more examples. Her face is like the moon. Here face is compared to moon. So two different things are compared uh, with the word like. I wandered lonely as a cloud. The water was black as night. She was as busy as we and had no time to relax. Life is like a dream. Such move with such She moves with such grace like a gazelle. So here the comparison is made between two different things. The two different things are being compared here using the words like or as. Here she is compared to, a person is compared to be, a life is compared to dream. So these are examples for simile. So let's learn what's a metaphor. A metaphor, like a simile, it also compares two different things, but no, it doesn't use words like or as. So we compare things without the words like, as, and so. So here, metaphor is an implied simile. Implied, it means it's not directly expressed. It is an implied simile. Metaphor is an implied simile. Okay. So we here we compare things without the words like and as. So we do not use like and as and so. Okay. So here see we do not use like or as, but there is a comparison between city and jungle. The city is a concrete jungle, equating the city with a jungle. Her words were poison, equating someone's words to poison. All the words is a stage, equating the world to a stage. So here the things being compared are dissimilar. See, city and jungle, words and poison, world and stage. So these are all dissimilar things are being compared in a metaphor without using the words like or as. Okay, so let's see one more example. Rana Pratap was the lion of Meva. So here we do not use like or as, but there is a comparison. So Rana Pratap, lion. So it is a metaphor. Okay, so what does it mean? You can say it as in simile. Rana Pratap was as brave as the lion. So this is simile because we compared using word as, so as brave as. So we use the word, we compared this with word as. So it is a simile. This is Rana Pratap was the lion of Mewar is a metaphor. So this is the difference. This sentence is a metaphor. This sentence is a simile. In the metaphor, you see the word brave is hidden. Okay, so that's why a metaphor is an implied simile. We already discussed in previous slide that the comparison is implied. Okay, it's not directly expressed, just it is hinted or suggested. So that's a metaphor, and formula is x is y. Okay, this is a formula for metaphor, and in here there are have given some more examples. My children are the light of my life. So see green colored words, children, light. London is a melting pot. So here the comparison is implied. It's not directly stated, not directly expressed. So let's see the meanings of the metaphors. So here the children are the light of my life means the children bright up the speaker's life, like light brightens a space. So second sentence, London is a melting pot. So melting pot is a vessel used to mix different metals. Similarly, London is a place where different kinds of people and ideas mix. So this is a metaphor. So see, X is Y.